this is for Dorothy and all of the people suffering ALS. We're doing this for you guys.
All right.
We are challenging Scott Rose, candidate for Dodge County Sheriff.
I got a blanket.
County Commissioners Dave Erickson and Steve Gray.
I'm going to challenge Jim Jensen.
I'm challenging Steve Johnson, mayoral candidate running for Casson.
I'm challenging the class of 1970 Hayfield Vikings.
And I'm challenging my brother, Mark, and Dave, and my nephew, Lanny.
Okay, hang on. All right. Everybody ready? Oh.
That's cheating.
Do I dump
right.
some out like the
Oh,
All right. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
Woo!